The Nike Shox TL Reflective is making a comeback, tapping into post-pandemic nostalgia and retro style. With piston-like cushioning as its hallmark, this 2000s icon returns in a sleek black and blue colorway. While clean and understated by day, the shoe reveals glowing light blue accents under reflective lining, creating bold contrast against its dark base. This iteration follows the Shox R4 Reflective, underscoring Nike's strategy to reintroduce tech runners across both genders. Though its earlier 2010s return was lukewarm, shifting fashion tastes have given the Shox TL new cultural traction. Paired with the revival of Y2K aesthetics, the silhouette now feels more relevant than ever. It's not just performance tech, it's streetwear-ready nostalgia with an edge. Set to release soon at $190 via retail and online, the TL Reflective is primed to turn heads when the lights go low. Get ready for its luminous second act.